Hi, Jefferson Santos, International Marketing Director with WorldVentures, and we're on compensation plan, part number 2 on this video here. We're going to be talking about the weekly bonuses, your monthly commissions, and also your career path in the WorldVentures compensation plan here. So we've already talked about wings and wheels in the previous video. If you haven't seen that yet, make sure you stop this video and watch that first so you understand some of the concepts. And so continuing through this video, we're going to be talking about personal sales bonuses, training dollars, weekly team bonuses, your monthly residual commissions, and then also other bonuses that entailed into that. And so earlier we talked about the lineage tree in that first video. And what that means is this is your personal tree. Okay, your personals, you can go 6, 10, 100 wide, and as they refer other people, those are all in separate lineage legs. But the cool thing is in this video now, we're going to get into what the binary tree is, and all these people that look like they might be on separate teams are actually working together in the binary tree, which is really, really cool. And you might also get some extra people in your binary tree from some team working activities, which is really, really awesome. So let's talk about personal sales bonuses. If you enroll 3 members in your first rolling 28 days, you're going to earn $100 immediately cash, okay, and 50 training dollars. You can use those training dollars towards major events that we have throughout the year. If you make another 3 sales in that same rolling 28 days, we increase it to $150 and give you another 50 training dollars. Once again, use those training dollars for your education to further your business and to further yourself and your skills. And so as there's 3 cells left and 3 cells right in your tree, you earn a cycle of $100. You could cycle several times a month, a day, a week, a day, even an hour. The potential is up to $25,000 per week based on that. But in your first 60 days, we're going to increase your cycle pay to $200 a cycle for a certain amount of cycles, okay, which is really, really awesome. So right here, you've earned $450 cash and you're profitable. Okay, and also you've earned 300 Dream Trip points because for every customer that you refer to the company, because we're assuming in this diagram, these are representatives and their members, okay? And so for every customer, you earn 50 Dream Trip points. And so now you've gotten 300. You've earned 200 because you purchased the membership. So really, you're at 500 Dream Trip points already and at 450 cash. So you're sitting pretty right there, all right? So that is the basic structure. And so let's build onto that, all right? So those people want to go out and start building their teams. And we track this on the internet in real time. Every time there's 3 cells left, 3 cells right, you're earning a cycle, okay? And so watch this happen. They go out and build their team. Okay, more sales add up. And you can see this real time on the internet, whether it's on your phone or your tablet or your computer, you can see this growing and they refer more people about it and it starts to grow. And so you're cycling faster and you can see the cash starting to earn there. And just notice that as your team gets bigger, do you think it's harder or easier to cycle? It becomes a little bit easier, doesn't it? Why? Because you have a team that's working together, right? Okay, they go out and tell some people about it, got 15, and now you're really starting to pick up some steam. You've earned some cash there, and it keeps on going and calculating. And the week goes from Saturday morning all the way to Friday midnight Central Standard Time. And once again, all the details are in the detailed compensation plan. So that is the business week. The business week starts Saturday and ends at Friday midnight Central Standard Time, all right? And so they go out and grow some more, and your team is growing some more. But here's what's really cool is we kick in another layer of bonus here, which is your travel dollars. Okay, so every 6th cycle that you earn actually in travel dollars. Okay, and a travel dollar is dollar per dollar. Okay, and what's better than wholesale vacations is earned vacations, right? To where you're not even paying out of your pocket, you're paying out of your profit. That's what's really cool. A lot of people, when they see this, they see our presentation, they're kind of worried in their head about how they're going to be able to afford the vacations. Number one, our vacations are very, very affordable and they're guaranteed, right? And then we've got a way for you to actually earn vacations only through our Dream Trip points and through the travel dollars in the compensation plan. You could purchase airfare with it. You could purchase cruises with it. You can combine it with Rovia bucks and Dream Trip points to purchase trips. I mean, your dream trips. I mean, a lot of cool things can happen with the travel dollars. And just remember that literally it's money that comes in every single week as long as you're cycling, which is really, really awesome. All right, so I'm about to talk about the residual, but real quick, I want to break down our products here. And we've got Dream Trip membership, Dream Trips Life, International Dream Trips, Luxury Dream Trips, and Dream Trips U membership, okay? Now, 9 out of 10 people, okay, are doing the Dream Trips Life, okay? So that's what I'm going to be talking about as we go through the residual here, all right? And so notice that in Dream Trips Life, it's worth 2 on the back end, okay? And I really want you to see that. And I'm going to slow down a little bit as we cover the residual. And so there's that same kind of 3 left, 3 right type thing here. So every time there's 6 DTL sales in your organization, 3 left, 3 right, you earn that $100 or $200 cycle, right? But then you're also earning $30 every single month off those same 6 people. Now in the compensation plan document, it says 15, but remember DTL is 2 on the back end. So really it's kind of like a $30 cycle, okay? So once again, for every 6 that join your team, 3 left, 3 right, you're earning that cycle bonus on the upfront, but then you're earning $30 every month off those same 6. Now multiply that out and it gets pretty exciting. And so you can kind of see when you're hitting these different ranks here, you can see the type of residuals that can happen, and the potential goes all the way up to $50,000 per month based on your rank, okay? So once again, every 6 you earn that upfront cycle, 100 to 200, and then $30 a month on the back end for every 6. Okay, that's kind of how you do the math there. So our compensation plan is like a 3-stage rocket. That first stage is you earning that income back. Like we talked about earlier, earn that $450 cash as fast as possible. That's that first stage to get off the ground, right? And so you duplicate that, and that brings you into the second stage, where you can get your wings and wheels bonuses and beginning ranks, and this is where you're earning $300 a month to upwards of possibly $2,000 a month, right? Then you help people duplicate that, which moves you into that third stage out in orbit, where you're making that full-time type income, right? RMD and above, $5,000 a month to upwards of $100,000 plus a month, and you're able to do that. So just to kind of simplify things, look at it in 3 stages, a 3-stage rocket, right? Earn your income back, duplicate, help people duplicate that, move you into wings and wheels bonuses and beginning ranks, help people duplicate that, and that moves you into RMD and above. Cool? So let's talk about the career path of what it looks like in WorldVentures here. So at first, in order to be a qualified representative and earn commissions off the binary, you have to enroll 4 members. And remember, when you do that, your fees are totally waived, and you're still earning those dream trip points every single month, which is really cool, right? And the potential here is $8,000 per month, in addition to the wings and wheels bonuses that you're earning in the wings and wheels section there. Cool? So that's qualified representative. The next piece is becoming a senior representative. And so as duplication starts to happen, you have a total of 60 members on your team, 30 left and 30 right. You're now eligible for residual commissions as well as the weeklies. So now your potential goes up to $10,000 total US per month, in addition to the wings and wheels bonuses that we've implemented for you, which is really, really awesome there. And so the next one we're going to do is the director. And this is really cool because this is where we raise your cycle pay a little bit on the residual. And so you're able to get the residual even faster, the faster monies. And so the potential is $10,000 a month as well there. But here's what's really cool. If you hit director in 90 days or less, you're eligible to earn our director's bonus. And that's an extra $5,000 bonus on top of all the cycle pay, on top of the wings and wheels bonus and all of that. We've had a number of people do that. Not everybody, but a number of people do that are really, really moving fast in the compensation plan, okay? So, but also there's a lineage requirement here. You have to have 140 customers within your lineage, okay, as well as 90 customers left and 90 customers right. Once again, to simplify things, as long as you're building, okay, and doing the things in the wings and wheels bonus and duplicating that, everything is setting you up to have a strong organization as you go all the way to the top of our compensation plan. Cool? All right, awesome. The next rank is marketing director. This is where it really starts to get fun, okay? And this is where you have a lineage requirement of 400 customers, okay? And the average income, not average income, but your potential here as a marketing director is $25,000 per month. So we've increased where you can earn $5,000 a week and then up to $5,000 a month in the residual, totaling $25,000, all right? Which is really, really cool. 400 customers in your lineage. Once again, it's the same thing that you've been doing, but as the duplication's occurring, we're having that. The main thing, the reason why we have the 400 requirement in the lineage is because it's not like you just sponsored one person and that one person did everything and then both of you go to the top, right? That's kind of like a lottery, right? We want you to build multiple legs so you have a stable organization. So you never want to just bet on one leg. You want to have multiple legs going within your binary, and it really solidifies your paycheck and your residual paycheck. All right. Next rank is a regional marketing director, and this is where it gets even more fun here, where the lineage requirement is only 900 customers, and then you're able to earn up to $51,000 a month in your weeklies and your residuals added together. And also your Wings and Wheels bonus is now replaced by a $1,000 dream car bonus. So you can get whatever car you want. It's really, really exciting, but this is where the full-time income really gets strong here. And we also have a regional marketing director and above trip, all expense paid trip that we take all the leaders on once a year. And so those have been like memorable trips, and people fight hard to get on that trip, and it's really exciting because you get to rub elbows with all the top leaders, share secrets and stories and all kinds of stuff. And so it's not only fun, but you get a lot of education on these trips too, because it's just awesome hanging out with the leaders. And so the next rank is National Marketing Director. You have to have 1,800 people in customers right here in your lineages, and the potential is over $100,000 per month, including your weekly and your residual combined, which is awesome. And so it just gets better and better and better as you move up the compensation plan. And last but not least, our International Marketing Director. This allows you to really maximize our compensation plan up to you have to have 3,000 customers at least within your lineage legs, okay? And the potential is 154,500 every single month, which is roughly about 1.9 million per year. That's really, really cool. And once again, we increase your car bonus up to 1,500, okay? And we go ahead and throw in a house bonus of $3,000 a month. So when you add up the residual, the house bonus, the car bonus, all of that, you're now at 154.5, which is really, really cool. But if that's not enough for you, I will tell you this. We do have a reentry program, and the reentry is this. As you build your organization, once you make $25,000 in a month, that's your weekly and your monthly combined, we will insert another position above yourself that you can go out and build another leg and max the comp plan again. And then you can do it again and again as much as you want. We never want to limit the income that you can make here, because the more money you make, the more people you're going to be helping, obviously, right? So that's really, really cool. So we talked about Wings and Wheels, obviously, in the other video. We covered personal sales bonuses. Remember, those first 3 in the rolling 28 days, you get 100. The second set of 3, 150. And every subsequent 3 after that, you get 150 if it's in that same 28 days. Okay, you also earn those training dollars, right, when you do that. Okay, the weekly team bonuses, which are the cycles, the $100 or the $200 cycles that you're earning weekly. Okay, those monthly residual commissions, you're earning residual commissions off of all the membership fees in your entire organization. And then last but not least, we have the dream car bonus, the dream home bonus, all of that as far as other bonuses. And so that is basically a comprehensive overview of the compensation plan. Not every single detail. Make sure you look at the document in the back office or the bottom of worldventures.biz. So with that said, we'll see you at our next training event, and we'll see you on the beaches of the world.